In this video, I will show you how to turn on Windows 11 game mode. So let's jump straight into it. So here we are, as you can see on my Windows 11 desktop. Now to do this, the first thing you're going to want to do is open up the settings app on your PC or laptop. To do that, come down to your toolbar at the bottom, click onto the Windows Start icon, and you should see the settings in here. If you don't see this, you can use the search box at the top, type settings, and open this up underneath best match. So here we are on my settings. Now once you've got your settings window opened, what you want to do is come to this menu on the left hand side, and you're going to see an option for gaming. So what you want to do is click onto gaming, and once you've done that, you're going to see some options come up, and you can see this one here for game mode. So what you need to do is click onto game mode, and you can see the option at the top is going to turn on game mode. So by turning this on, you're going to optimize your PC for play by turning things off in the background. So what it basically does, it disables any apps running in the background to give you the best performance when you're actually playing games on your Windows 11 PC or laptop. Now, of course, you can find out more information by clicking the link here, but to turn it on, all you need to do is simply turn the switch on, like so, and that is how to turn on Windows 11 game mode. So with that being said, I hope this quick tutorial did help you out today, and if this did help you out, I would really appreciate it if you was to consider dropping down below the video, leaving a like, and also subscribing to the channel. With that being said, I just want to take a minute to thank you guys for watching this quick tutorial, and I will see you in the next video.